In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you've ever saved a page and then spent way too long scrolling through folders trying to find it again, this is going to save you time immediately. We're focusing on the quickest, most reliable way to search your bookmarks right inside Chrome, so you can jump straight to the page you want without the hassle. First, open Chrome and bring up the Bookmark Manager. The fastest way is to use the keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the letter O at the same time. If shortcuts aren't your style, you can also get there through the three-dot menu at the top right of Chrome. Click that, go to Bookmarks, and choose Bookmark Manager. Either method takes you to the same place, and it usually opens in a new tab so you can see everything clearly. At the very top of the Bookmark Manager, you'll notice a bar labeled Search Bookmarks. This is where the magic happens. Click into that bar and start typing a keyword, a part of the page title, or the name of the website you're trying to find. You don't need to remember the exact title, just something distinctive that you associate with that page, like recipe, invoice, or the site's name. As you type, Chrome filters your list in real time. You'll see the results update instantly with each character you enter. So if you start broad and get too many matches, add another word to narrow it down. If you're not seeing what you expect, try a slightly different term, like the company name instead of the product name, or a unique word you remember from the page title. The idea is to let the live filtering do the heavy lifting while you refine your keywords. One of the best parts about searching here is that Chrome shows you exactly which folder each bookmark lives in. You'll see the folder path alongside the result, so you know where that link is stored. This is especially helpful if you've built a lot of folders and subfolders. When you find what you need, you can open it right away, and you'll also know where to file similar links in the future to keep things tidy. That's all there is to it. Open the Bookmark Manager, use the search bar at the top, type in what you remember, and let Chrome filter the results as you go. Stop scrolling and start searching. You're all set.